on, guys? It's Jake from SVG. Today got something cool, a little different on the S2000. We're gonna be doing some motor mounts. Oh, fucking Honda, fucking piece of shit. Nah, just kidding. Matt's trying to get over here after work. It is Friday afternoon, so. All right, it's easy as that. Hit a fucking button, boom. Got it. Big. Go pull her in the shop. So these are our motor mounts, brackets, and this is the trans mount. Looks pretty funky, but you'll see when I get under the car. These are innovative. So I can see it on it. Yeah, innovative mounts. If you see this video, please sponsor us. Be cool. We always appreciate any help or sponsors. And if you haven't already, go like and subscribe. We are, I think, at 220 something. If we could get to 250, that would be awesome. So, and thanks again to the people that have subscribed. We always appreciate the love and support. But yeah, boys, you got the block side. Zip them things out, and then there's these two bolts here. Oh, and then you gotta take that cross member off. But yeah. So it's like same thing on either side. And then the trans mount, we're getting rid of these like dampeners pretty much. It's just gonna be more solid. It'll go like, I don't know if you can see the bolts up in there or not. The only downside to anyone at home that's doing this on the ground, instead of a pole jack, because you're gonna have to support either, you know, the trans or the motor, wherever you're doing these, you're gonna have to support it because you'll fight trying to get it shifted correctly, you know, to line your holes up. So if you're doing it on the ground, you can just use a jack. Like when you get it up on your stands, use a jack and just put a block of wood like I'm doing underneath and just jack it that way, because you're gonna have to move the motor or trans up and down to do this. So, tech tip of the day, since I'm a professional.
I'm a professional.
You know, always stay organized. It will save your life if you're doing anything big. You have a lot of things to take apart. Believe me, I've done transmissions, I've torn motors apart. It just stay organized. Okay, ran into our first predicament. So we can't get the bolts through these holes because of the frame. So I'm trying to drop everything as low as I can. I'm almost to this one, but this one's just being a bitch. I might beat the frame in a little bit, I don't know. But so I'm gonna drop some. I'm gonna do the motor mounts, I guess, and just see what I can do. We'll see.
What's up, boys? Back.
Hey, Matt's here.
Oh yeah, brother.
I said you were coming, but
Oh yeah.
you scared the shit out of me when you walked up here. I'm like, oh my god, who's in these black clothes?
Yeah. Yeah, it came from work. Those things look dinky as hell. There's like, there's a bar
Why
though.
my shifter goes like this, and every time I accelerate.
Yeah, dude, you should see my taco. That thing's like a freaking. It's like those things on the wall. Yeah. Wow. That cool. Hell yeah. If you want your slaps, boys, hit up the Instagram, $7 Garage. DM us. They're pretty cheap, like $3.
Oh, it's the thickness of the mount is bigger than your trans. So the bolts screw up to here, but not tight to that.
Washer need to be on the inside.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, oh shit.
You gotta shim the trans mount. It's too big. So
Thanks,
it shims on the
innovative.
inside. Yeah. Nice one.
Now I'm missing a nut.
That's pretty nutty. That thing's gonna give us hell going back on. I know it. Oh, look at the flare. Oh, there's nice colors up there.
Yeah.
It's all blue.
Now can we get this up in here?
I'll have to stretch it 2 cents. just slightly off. So we're gonna need to take the bottom parts off and then readjust it, maybe flip them around and re-attack it tomorrow.
They have slushies.
Yeah,
Of course, it's Pepsi.
Who has Pepsi slushies?
And it's liquid.
Dude, I've never seen a Pepsi. Should I get them all? That didn't sound healthy. Yeah, it just shoots it in the middle. It doesn't stack. Oh. Dude, they don't have the slushy cups.
Oh, right here.
Oh my god.
I think that was gonna blow up.
Dude, I thought I was gonna have to sandwich it down. Oh, damn it. Got some nappy cans around.
Yeah, right here.
Yo,
Everything's over here.
Thanks, man. Dude. Fuck you, Paul. Side's gonna get you again?
That was straight to the fucking ankle. God damn.
Too much
Kind of the
shit.
Achilles too.
Oh my god.
Whoa, shocker, man.
The next day.
We're back.
We don't know what time it is.
Yeah, it's like 8 or something. I don't know, 9 o'clock.
When you look at these brackets, this one has to face out towards the frame. For some reason, that's just what it is.
Yeah.
Now, this one is pointed towards the motor, and I get it. It's because the motor doesn't sit flat. It
really
sits
angled.
off, but like, alright, well, we just gotta tighten them up and
Yeah, tighten up. Take
Everything's
it for a rip.
hey, for Ripsky.
Feel the vibrations. Some goose going. Can you tell that we just woke up and drove here?
Or I could like shake the motor like inside.
Yeah, the whole
of it.
fucking John's moving. That's pretty cool.
It's pretty solid.
That's sick, man. Yeah.
Just gotta see how long they last.
Yeah, we heard they get a little slushy because of the heat. When you turbo 'em. Give her the beans, bud. Give her the beans. It's like a Porsche.
Honestly, like just releasing the clutch and everything feels so much better.
Feel that vibration.
Yeah, I think it's the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
I'm not going on like a main road. I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
going around the block, really.
Dude, no safety straps. That sounds so
The exhaust
sick.
is rubbing so hard though. I hear it.
Oh yeah. That sounded sick as fuck. That's crazy.
It's so much more solid.
Yeah, it feels solid as fuck. Wow. we're gonna be out of frame. Alright, who was it? Who was it?
It was him.
Who?
Yeah.